Welcome back, everyone. My name is Brian Roschetzky, and I wanted to show something that I spotted at GigaTexas. So I thought I would take this time to discuss what we saw with the drone and what we already know about Tesla. The recent construction has let us see what might be in the design at GigaTexas. So please, an early thumbs up would really help with YouTube algorithms and help me get this video out to more people like you. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Alright, now let's fly down in the Texas GigaFactory and see what we noticed. This is the area we are focused on. It shows what looks like foundations for at least 8 GigaPresses, seen here in the red rectangles. What is a GigaPress, you might ask? Well, Tesla has created a body stamping machine that can press a Tesla frame in only 1 or 2 pieces, compared to 70 to 100 pieces in most other car manufacturers. Elon Musk has said that he would be cutting down at least 70 pieces down to almost 1. Now, I don't know the exact number, if it's 1 or 2, but if you do know, I would love to know that information and get some more info on the exact number. Will the GigaPress be making 1 solid frame piece, or is it going to be in 2? Either way, this cuts down on costs dramatically. The Wiki Page shows GigaPress is a series of aluminum die casting machines manufactured by Hydra Group in Italy. They are notable for being the largest high-pressure die casting machines in the world, with a clamping force of 55,000 to 61,000 kilonewtons. Initial usage of a customized OL 6100 CS GigaPress was started by Tesla Incorporated in late 2020, with production of the Tesla Model Y electric car rear chassis. Now we are seeing dramatic expansion from making 1 GigaPress to seeing them all over Shanghai, in Berlin, and now in Austin, Texas as well. This is game-changing innovation that no other car maker has. Even the great Sandy Munro has consistently spoken out about how much this cuts down on vehicle production. So I will keep a lookout in the future drone flights to see the progression of these GigaPresses. I would assume that they are for the Model Y, but I would love to wonder what parts of the GigaFactory will be making the Tesla Cybertruck. Or what do you think? I heard there could even be up to 10 GigaPresses. And I will keep flying over this area and keep you updated as the construction progresses over GigaTexas. Cheers. And again, thanks for watching.